Okay, going live in 3, 2,
One.
1. Ayan, okay. Live na tayo. Share lang natin. Teka, paano ba mag-share? Wait lang. How can I share? Saan na?
You never see that.
Yun. Share natin sa ating friends.
But I thought it was for Pokemon.
Kahit ano lang siguro.
Huh?
Pwede naman siguro kahit ano. Okay. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Michael. And
Andre,
welcome to
Diva's
Diva's Realm. Cards
toys,
and travel. At dahil wala kaming mabukas na Pokemon today, we're going to open this box of Gundam TCG Dual Impact GD02. GD pala, GDB. Mali ako ng nasulat.
Before we open it, put that back, please.
Okay, ipakita natin.
Ay.
Nakabukas na kami dati. And here's what we got so far.
We got one good hit. I mean, spoiler alert. We got one good hit.
So, ito pa lang aming mga
Spoiler
na-hits
alert. It's C++.
so far. So, ito, maraming kulang pa, and we're going to open some
Is it?
one booster
Here.
pa. Ito yung pinaka
C++.
ano namin, and
it looks
extra. Alright,
Before we open this booster box, don't forget to bless our packs.
so yan,
Pikachu.
nandyan. Bigan. Nakabukas na kami dati ng GD01
With Tito
with
Tito Special
Gian.
Guest.
Ito yung nabuksan namin, and we have our master set din. And syempre, meron tayong ito yung box.
Gumalala, lista.
Ito yung box niya. Naka-master set na rin tayo kasi hindi natin
Gumalala,
complete. And
lista.
today, dahil walang magawa, dahil holiday, and wala tayong mabuksan na Pokemon, dito tayo papasok ngayon sa GD02
Hello.
Dual Impact.
Hello.
Alright? Bukas na.
Ay po, bukas na.
Bukas. Anyway. Oh. Hindi. Okay.
Ay.
Wait. Huh? Let's catch tape to nun. Anyway. Tingnan natin. Sige. Let's see. Ilang packs ba to?
That's a fat pack. That's a many pack.
Atin 36 packs dapat yun.
Let
Ito yung sa box.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So
13 plus
26. Alright, sige. Sige na to ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I counted here 13.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
What?
So may 24 packs tayo na
Wait.
dalawa lang siguro kasi
2 divided by 4.
ilan ba sinabi ko?
24.
24, di ba? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
14,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
22.
So we have 12, 24 booster
We
pack.
can hat it 12.
Yeah. Meron tayong 24 booster pack, and ira-randomize natin doon, and we'll have pack battle.
And
Nabili namin to sa Shopee kay Game 1. I think sa Game 1 ko nabili to. And mura na lang kasi
what kind of person is he?
malaki ang discount ko dahil sa vouchers.
What the person who's selling that, was it a collector?
No, it's a shop, online shop.
Shopee.
All right. Choose your 12.
It's 12 packs.
Choose your 12.
You
Mamili ka,
know,
pwede ka
I
mamili.
have hot hunts.
Sige nga.
A hot hunting Pokemon.
Tingnan natin dito if it will transfer to Gundam. Kasi nung
Can
One
I
Piece,
spread it?
Wala kaming nakuha ng One Piece. So,
I want to spread it. Please.
ay, Sir Sol, magandang gabi sa iyo. Congratulations sa pulse mo. Sana all merong first pack series 1.
Anong first pack? Ano ba
GL mga
na?
sirs. Yun.
Ano ba hit
Good. Good luck, good luck. GL, good luck. Okay. Thank you, Sir Sol. Thank you, Sir Sol. Oh, you pick your 12.
I hope I get the same luck
Delikado
as...
pag walang trabaho pati holiday, napapabukas ng mga packs. Hopefully, we got something good. Sa One Piece, wala kami nakuha, sir. Ang pangit, maalat ang aming full sa One Piece.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9,
No.
9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, get the good thing.
Wait.
Ano naman?
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12. Di ka marunong magbilang.
Huh?
Good mo.
I know how to count.
O nga sir grabing day off to, nakakatakot mag-holiday. Usually pag holiday, gumagala kaya hindi napapabukas
Why
ng
aren't you
packs
happy? There's no school nor work.
Pero dahil walang mataas ang gasolina, wala, nasa bahay, tenga.
Daddy,
Okay, pack battle.
Daddy, why aren't you happy?
Kasi wala na tayong shield na
There's
to.
no school.
Ah.
There's no work.
Bato, tick. Okay, gumawa na. Kaya mo ba o ako na? Huwag kasi nasisira yung cards Nasira yung ibang cards nun. Yan,
This
ingat
is
tayo.
why we didn't cut any hits in One Piece. We did it just my old trusty opening.
Sana also nakakuha ng series 1. Wala akong makuha
I don't know if this
Sige.
is a boy or a girl.
Sige lang. Okay, Jim.
Green.
Ooh. Sige.
Red and blue.
Okay.
Attacker bot.
Okay. And, ilan po ba?
Ann.
Ooh! Teka, wow! Ganda nito
Ha! Wait, ano to? Leader there.
Okay, may first hit tayo sa first pack. Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan yung Gundam na yan.
Wait, you have this card.
I have that toy before.
Look, it's right there. This is green side. No, this is red. That's black.
No, that's different. Nasunog na yung ganyan ko Okay, my first pack of GD02.
I got a leader there.
Alright. Ito, anto. Okay. Sige. Alright. Sako. Alala ko sa Gundam mo yung ganito Okay. Age Gundam. Gundam X. And, okay, yun lang.
I got a good super leader.
Ano siya?
Leader there.
LR.
Leader
Okay.
there.
Next. Ikaw. Dapat ko na magunting Di mo ba kaya magunting?
I might actually cut that card.
You don't shot sa tenga
This is a boy, right? Why is he has long hair? Green box. A girl.
Malapit mo kasi nawawala sa focus.
A turtle. This looks like a turtle because it has so many armor. Rare.
Age Gundam.
What's an Age Gundam?
Sa Age Gundam series yan. Okay.
I'll put it back.
So, wala tayong hits na maganda doon. Okay. Pang-apat na pack na natin, Fourth pack.
Your second pack or fourth pack?
Fourth pack natin. Okay.
Isa pack.
Meron na tayo nito. Nagkaroon na ng dupes.
Duplicates.
Ooh, heavy arm.
Heavy arm.
Ito yung kasama ng ano eh. Okay, wala. Ikaw, next.
This kind of looks like a Yakuza.
Ayan. Hopefully, we got something good.
That thing next to him looks like a ship for space. This reminds me of a piranha. Fish or piranha.
Okay. Dito mo ilagay. Para hindi maganda. Sige lang. Yan, Buster Gundam.
This looks like Star Wars. That kind of looks like it came from Star Wars.
Okay. I think madaming tayong dupes. Ang tanong, bubuksan ba natin lahat o mag-iiwan tayo? Yan ang tanong ngayon.
Well, I got a cool leader card.
Iniwan kami ng
Tito Gian.
Iniwan kami ng asawa at nanay nito. Umalis sila at kami lang naiwan. So,
It's Boys Night. Boys Night.
Boys Night. Takapat ng labo. Yan. Alright.
Spaceship.
Alright.
Oh! Leader air ulit din.
Ganda.
Ganda. Gandam.
Gandam. Okay, your turn.
Who's cooler? Mine or yours?
Mas kilala ko to eh. Kaysa, hindi ages eh.
What's cooler? That one or this one?
Ito kasi bida, kaya kalaban yan eh.
In designs. I
Pag
think
double
this
X to,
one.
mas maganda to.
What's better, this one or that one? I think mine's cooler.
Yeah.
Mine's cooler.
Okay, ikaw na. Let's see what we can get. Mahal kasi ang English version ng cards ngayon.
We don't have that money.
Japanese lang tayo, Japanese. So, hello. Welcome po sa mga nanonood sa amin. Please like, share, subscribe lalo sa aming YouTube channel.
Wait, we have this. It's called a rocket.
Okay. Ayan, sa Gundam Wing yan. Ito nakalimutan ko sa God Age Gundam.
It looks like he's commanding, like he's a captain.
Yeah. She is. Okay.
This reminds me of a Pokemon, but I forgot his name. Nidoking.
Baka sa kulay.
Nidoqueen.
Sige. Ay, si Yuna. Yuna yan, ano? Si Yuna yan sa Gundam X. Tama ba, Yuna?
Who's Yuna?
Ito. Kaso rare lang siya, pero dahil waifu, ilagay natin dito. Okay, hindi ko na nilagay. Okay, next. Ako na. So far, wala masyadong mainit. Walang
these two cards.
Nothing to say. Good evening sa mga nanonood sa amin. Please like and share, especially our YouTube channel. Again, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And this is Diva's Realm. Cards,
Toys,
and Travel. Wala nga lang travel ngayon.
Do we say that every 8 packs?
Para pag may tao, pag may nanood, para alam nila. So, wala pa tayong official na ano. And, okay lang. Sa Zeta Gundam yata ito.
Zeta Gundam?
Okay. Your pack.
Ano yan? If you call a girl a waifu there, do you call this a husband?
No. May mga chase card kasi na female character.
How about male?
Si Hiro Yui lang alam ko sa that side, pwede rin. Okay, let's see.
Green hair
Let's
with
have
green
something.
mustache. Another
No.
duplicate.
Puro duplicate na tayo. And, pangit.
And,
okay. Wala tayo, parang dalawa pa lang pinakamagandang hit natin so far.
Our hands is cold. Maybe the packs are beneath it.
Alright, sige.
Have you ever heard of last pack ng Magic?
Hopefully.
Magic card.
Hopefully. And wala.
Our hands are super cold.
Pangilan na natin to.
Even though it's summer and it's hot, our hands are cold like winter.
Kanya na tayo. How much pack na pala? 1, 2, 3, 4,
It's a
5,
family
6,
photo.
7, 8,
It's a
9,
family
10.
photo.
Naka 10 packs na tayo.
Another spaceship. Dun.
Oh, yan. Pwede yan.
Ay, uncommon.
Si ano yan? Si...
Kalo ko yun na.
Grabe, tagal ko na hindi nanonood ng... Ay, wala.
This looks like an
Si
eagle.
Barbatos yan.
That looks like an eagle.
Maganda si Barbatos Lupus Rex. Sa mga Gunpla builders dyan, hello sa Gundam community.
What?
Matagal na ako hindi nagbubo ng Gunpla. Pero maraming backlogs tayo dito sa ating Man Cave 1.
You're waiting
Someday,
for me
I'll
to
tour you sa ating Man Cave para makita nyo ang meron dito.
It's called the house tour.
And this is the room 1 kasi may tatlong rooms lahat. Oh.
Where's your hits? Yo!
Okay lang,
Yan.
pero...
C plus.
Mm,
That's a hit.
not really.
Remember C plus. C
Okay,
plus.
next.
Uy, lagay mo yan. Hit. That's a hit.
No. That's not a hit.
I can
Okay.
tell it's a hit.
Alright.
No, it's a
sige.
C plus. If
Okay.
it's a plus, it's a hit. Right?
So, someday, I'll tour you sa 3 rooms na ating collection room.
Blue.
Pag maayos na, kasi magulo pa.
Another spaceship.
Especially ngayon, hinihintay ko umulan para malaman ko kung tumutulo pa hindi na dito. Dahil nagpalit tayo ng bagong bubong.
Yo! Another leader card.
Pwede pa yan.
Okay, how about the card behind? What? This is... Where did I put this?
So, meron tayong tatlong...
Hindi ko lagay ito. How about this thing? But this C plus.
Sino? Ako na, no?
Ito, ba't ayaw mo to?
Sino? Ako na ba?
Yes, ba't ito? Ayaw mo yung C plus?
Okay, my turn. Tignan natin anong makuha natin. Let's see.
I
Let's
only
see.
have 4 packs left.
Alright. Okay. Ooh.
Give it some nicknames.
QB.
Why don't you like the C plus?
Okay, your turn.
Why don't you think the C plus is a hit?
Ilan na lang sa'yo?
3. I meant 4.
Tatlo pa lang hit natin ah. Hello, good evening sa inyo. Thank you for watching us. Please like, share, and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel na nakalimutan ko na naman i-link. Uy, paborito ko yan dati. May laruan akong ganyan dati.
Buy another
Kaso
one.
sinunog eh. Oh, nice. Okay. Wala tayong hot streak. Parang
We need Tito G yan. We need a special
Alright.
guest.
wala na. Hindi na natin siya nahintay eh. And, oh, nice. Okay. Pero, yeah. It's okay. It's an okay card. Wala pa talaga yung mapapawaw ka. Because Gundam TCG bago lang. May bago sila pangatlo, GD03, which is wala pa tayo. Kasi nag-focus tayo ngayon sa mga Pokemon. Tumigil din tayo sa Magic Cards, sa Yu-Gi-Oh, Kukiran. Nag-ano na tayo ng konti sa Kukiran. But, okay din to. May laruan tayo niyan sa taas. Alright.
I only have 3 packs left.
Tingnan natin anong mangyari. Wala pa tayo nakukuha ng maganda.
And I'm winning.
Alright. Okay. Alright. And
Alright,
isa
okay,
pa.
alright,
And...
alright.
Oh, Torgis!
R plus!
Oh!
R plus! Rare plus to rare
We
plus.
got a Tolgis. Tolgis
So,
1.
R plus, rare plus.
Uy, ano to? Iconic yan. Tolgis na yan.
That thing on the sheet looks like Pikachu.
Uy, texturized din pala siya.
Can I?
Texturized din siya, guys.
Great taste.
Tolgis. Nakakuha tayong Tolgis.
It has great taste.
One of the iconic Gundam, Gundam mobile suit. Pero ano rin to eh, Gundam lang to na magaling lang talaga si Zack,
Is this the
pangalan
card?
nun?
I think this is the card to make us.
Kalimutan ko.
I
Okay
think
ka.
this is the card that makes us well because it's a rare plus. It's an R plus.
So, I'm winning in short.
But I got two
Ah.
LR and you got one LR and one rare plus.
Alright, sige.
I need to get that. I need to get a LR plus. And then
I hope so. I hope you get.
I rare.
Alright. Anyway. Okay. My third to the last pack. Okay. Medyo maalat.
Ano?
Medyo maalat ang pagbukas natin. Parang one piece opening natin. Maalat. And
Daddy.
maalat nga. Sobrang alat. So magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin. Please like and share and subscribe
What's that?
sa aming YouTube channel na I will link it later. Nakalimutan ko na naman.
Underwater? Ay. This looks like a hero. Eh?
Hey!
Another LR.
I like this. May ganito akong laruan eh.
Am I winning kasi I have 3 LRs?
Hmm.
And you got 1 LR and 1 R plus?
Hmm.
I'm winning. I got 3 LRs now. I got 3 leader. We only have 1
Pero
leader.
wala pa tayong pinaka big hit.
Ito.
Iyan ang big hit dun. Okay. Second to the last, si Andre. Last pack na ako. Second to the last. Kamusta naman po ang holiday nyo? Nakapahinga ba kayo?
We only have
Nakatulog?
5 hits at top.
Nakatulog ba kayo? Nakapahinga na ba kayo? Okay. And wala eh. Pangit.
Wait.
Wala.
When we open this,
Kailangan ni Pikachu kiss. Mwah.
hindi, he needs to
Okay na.
sleep on it.
Ano?
Pikachu has
Last pack ni Andre.
Pikachu has blessed both of our packs.
Come on.
But I think my pack will be the best. Blessed.
I hope so.
Still got pack here.
Wala pa ako nakikita nagkaroon ng god pack. Sige. Ang dami natin
This
dupes.
looks like he sells food in the buffet.
Last one and man, ang alat.
Looks kind of
Okay, last pack magic. Last pack magic. All right, guys, this is the last pack of GD02. Our second booster box ng
Wait.
Gundam TCG.
Let Pikachu
And
bless
let's
it
see
again.
what we got.
Let
Last
Pikachu-
pack.
Let Pikachu bless it again.
Okay, last pack magic. Okay. All right. Hey, gusto ko to. All right.
That looks like
If there's a hit, it will be here. And 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh, okay. So
Wait,
out
out
of
of 24, only 5.
24 pack, siguro sama na natin tong isa. Pero I don't consider that a hit eh.
Wow.
Kasi normal ano lang siya. It's not really a hit. Not really a hit
How
hit.
about the C++? Hit
Yun pa hit.
C+.
So we got
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hits out of 24. Mababa ang hit rate na ating box na nabili. Tagal na natainga to eh. Kasi plano kong hindi buksan siya o bubuksan ko siya pag nandito si Tito Gian niya. para mabuksan namin habang nandito siya. And that's our hits for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang hirap ng walang ano kasi napapabukas kami ng wala sa oras ng mga packs dahil nakaka-board.
Let's open the
Ah,
broken
Alright.
Blackboard CTV.
Sige. So, thank you guys for joining us this evening as we open this GD02.
Are you
May
sure?
bago na, may GD03 na. And hopefully, makabili kami and makabukas kami for our to try to master set that GD03. Again,
You were correct. It's GD02.
okay, yeah. Alright, I'm Michael.
And Brent.
And this is
Divas
Divas Realm. Cards
Toys.
and travel.
When
Bye.
will we travel
Bye,
again?
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Lapit na. After holding. Stop recording.